Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya. In today's class, we will discuss about the most important questions of July current affairs. So welcome everybody to the session and let's begin now. The next question is, what is the name of the first social media super application to be launched in India? So then the name is called as Elements application. So like social media application, Facebook, WhatsApp, India has decided to develop this Elements application. It will also enable some other features like the payment features, the wallet feature. All of these things will be gradually embedded into this application. So the Vice President of India is set to launch this first social media super application named as Elements. More than 1000 IT professionals have created this application. The application will be available in somewhat 8 Indian languages. It aims to combine the features such as popular social media features in a single unified app. Apart from that, free audio, video calling, chats, payment features will also be embedded soon in this. Next question is, which organization has acknowledged that the novel coronavirus spreads through air? The answer is World Health Organization. Next question is, which Indian state has launched its own document scanning mobile application named SelfScan? The answer is West Bengal. Next question is, as per the World Wildlife Crime Report 2020, which is the world's most trafficked animal? The answer is pangolin. The United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime UNODC released this report called as World Wildlife Crime Report 2020. So this is also very important. UNODC we have to remember here. As per the report, pangolin is the world's most trafficked mammal and the number of times of mammals killed were seized increased nearly 10 times between 2014 to 2018. This report also suggests that the zoonotic diseases, that means those diseases which originates from the mammals, they account for approximately 75% of emerging infectious diseases now. The next question, the import of which agricultural equipment has been curbed by the Indian government by amending its import policy? So it is the power tiller. Okay, so basically it is an agricultural equipment, but the problem was that this was being imported from China. Now to curb the imports from China, we have the Indian government has taken this step. Okay, so on power tiller, the category has been shifted of the power tiller to the restricted category now. Next question, which Indian state is to launch a scheme named Hamara Ghar Hamara Vidyalay? The state is Madhya Pradesh. Next question, food aggregator company Swiggy has partnered with which bank to launch its own digital wallet? So as you know, a lot of companies now have their digital wallet. For example, Amazon has its digital wallet. Some other platforms like MobiKwik, Paytm, everybody, they have their digital wallets. So similarly, Swiggy is also having its own digital wallet and it is being done with a partnership with which bank? HDFC, SBI, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank. The answer is ICICI Bank. The next question, Zoox, that was recently acquired by Amazon, is a startup firm related to which field? Robot delivery system, AI-driven waiter, that is artificial intelligence-driven waiter, BH6 vehicles or self-driving car? The answer is self-driving car. When is the World Population Day observed across the world? The answer is July 11. Next question. Before that, this day was first celebrated in the year 1990 because in the year 1990 the world population touched 5 billion. So from that, 11th of July was celebrated as the World Population Day. So the theme of this year is putting the brakes on COVID-19, how to safeguard the health and rights of women and girls now is the theme of this campaign of 2020 for World Population Day. This is very, very important. Please remember this. Next question, who is the chairperson of 15th Finance Commission? The answer is N.K. Singh. Next question, the Union Defence Minister of India has inaugurated 6 major bridges in which state or union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. So basically in Jammu and Kashmir there is a lot of movement that is done by the army. So for enabling safety in their movement, these bridges have been constructed. So it is near the international border and the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir, and these were constructed by BRO, that is Border Road Organization, in a record time. Next question. Which global organization released the Global Education Monitoring GEM project? The answer is UNESCO. Next question. What is the name of the e-governance platform which has been developed by the Ministry of Human Resource Development and Ministry of MOHRD? The answer is Samarth platform. So basically it is a platform where we are trying to digitize and we are trying to automate the system of education. So under the National Mission of Education is in Information and Communication Technologies, the MHRD has implemented this platform. It is called as Samarth Enterprises Resource Planning, ERP. It is an open standard system, open source architecture system, secure, scalable, evolutionary process automation engine for universities and higher education institution. It will help faculties as well as students and the staffs of the universities and higher education institution. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start hai jaiche. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, for getting additional 10% discount. So आपण a referral code को भी use करी परिबे, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 great educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9, YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code Yagya Live, YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.